In this video, we're going to take a look at the supply and demand charts of the 2022 exam, and it came in question 18, which is a long question, so it was a part of a long question. Okay, so it reads, Sam, a former Lowen Limited employee, secured a job as a buyer of electrical goods for resale for an electrical retailer. As a buyer of stock for resale, they need to project demand for various products to ensure that the store has the correct quantity to meet consumer demand. Number 1. Use the information in the table below to draw the demand and supply curves for the PlayStation 5. Okay, so you can see here that we have the price in this column, we have the quantity demanded in this column, and we have the quantity supplied in that column. Here we have the price, and we're going to look at it in relation to the supply and demand charts, okay? And here is the quantity supplied there, okay, and demanded. So let's take a look. We're going to look at the quantity demanded first. So when the price is 300, the quantity demanded is 1,000. So you can see there, the price is 300 and the quantity demanded is 1,000. Then you can see when the price is 350, the quantity demanded is 800. So you can see going across, 350 is the price, going down, 800 is the units. At €400, the quantity demanded is 600. You can see going across, €400 is the price, and going down is the units. Then we've got 450. When it's €450, the price or the amount demanded is 400. And then when the price is 500, the quantity demanded is 200. When you get that far, you will draw the line, okay? And that there will be D, so you can label it D for demand as well. Now we can move on to quantity supplied. So when the price is 300, the quantity supplied is 200. When the price is 350, the quantity supplied is 400. When the price is 400, the quantity supplied is 600. When the price is 450, the quantity supplied is 800. And when the price is 500, the quantity supplied is 1,000. And so you can draw your line through that as well, and then you can label that the S for the supply curve. So you can see where the equilibrium lies. So we're more than likely going to be asked that. So equilibrium is where the supply and demand meet. Okay. So let's take a look at the questions that accompany that. So use your diagram to identify the equilibrium price and the equilibrium quantity. Write your answers in the table below. So the equilibrium price of the PS5 would be €400, and the equilibrium quantity of the PS5 would be 600,000 units. And that is the demand and supply curve there for that year. So 2022, question 18.